Hello, my name is Dipesh Bhatta, and today I'm going to tell you about a simple face verification application which is developed in Python using the TechInter library and TensorFlow framework. So this was the project suggested by our supervisor Thanti Nguyen, and I'm going to describe you about all the structure and how to run this application. So if you are already in this GitHub repo, then I'm sure that you can copy and clone this repo using this link provided here. So after you copy your code, we can just open four more files. There are four main files. Application interface.py, that is the file which contains interface information about code about the interface. So as I said earlier, it is developed on using TechInter library, Python library. So in this library, there are especially three kinds of method to organize labels, names, and buttons. But I have used the latest and the best one, grid method. And according to grid method, I have separated it into rows and columns. And the first rows of my GUI consist of welcome to face comparison title, that's just the title, and the second row consists of images and pixel vault, that is still to be made, and third row consists of three main buttons: upload for the first image and upload for second image and comparison button, and the fourth row is the row where result is displayed. So this is the function upload for uploading real image and comparison image, and the button which consists of the function called compare images. So let me show you demo what how this user interface look like. So when you run this application, you will get this kind of interface. So as I said earlier, this is the first row and this is the second row, and it has two rows span. This column has two rows span, and this is the section where upload real image will be, and this is second section where upload image to compare will be stored. And now let's run into the quick demo. When I upload real image, let's say I select this person, Dino De Laurentiis, and this is Dino De Laurentiis, and the second image of Dino De Laurentiis, and it upload into compare image. This one is the first section, this one is the second section of second row, as I described earlier, and this is the third button called compare images. And when you call this button, or when you click this button, it will call the function. There is a compare file which consists of compare main function in it. So it calls the main function and pass three arguments. One is the model location, and another two arguments are the location of first image and the second image, which we got through those two buttons or those two sections. So when you enter in this compare sections, there is main function, and it load the models. Model is loaded by using FaceNet, and there is another file called face detect face, which will verify if the given images are either faces or not. So to storing those function, storing those information, it has three main files called date1, date2, and date3. These are the numpy files consisting of array. So after validating either these images which are uploaded are of the human faces or not, it will proceed accordingly. So after comparing those images, it throws uh, this is the confusion matrix. It throws the confusion matrix, and it calculates the result between two embeddings using cosine similarity. So it throws the result to our front interface, and based on that result we show it on the result sections. So like I said earlier, both images are similar. So in this way our application works. That's all. Thank you.